Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to slow down your clips and After Effects. Slowing down clips and Adobe After Effects allows you to create smooth, slow motion effects. So now, let us go ahead and begin with these steps. Right click on the clip and the timeline. Choose Time Stretch from the context menu. A dialog box will appear. Increase the stretch factor percentage to slow down the clip. For example, a 200% stretch factor will slow the clip down by half. Then click OK to apply the changes. Now, right-click on the clip in the timeline and choose Time and enable time remapping. After enabling time remapping, you'll see a keyframe at the beginning, on end of the clip, and the timeline. Move the playhead to the point where you want to change the speed, and add the keyframe by clicking the diamond icon next to the time remap and the timeline panel. Then drag the keyframes farther apart to slow down that section of the clip. The more you stretch out the keyframes, the slower the motion will be between them. To smooth out the motion, right-click on the keyframe, go to Keyframe Assistant, and choose Easy as In. This will create a more natural-looking slow motion effect. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.